Welcome back.
I'm Cindy, Senior Media Specialist.
And I'm Josie, Media Specialist at Moose Roofing,
a roofing company out of Omaha, Nebraska.
And welcome back to Moose Tips and Tricks. Deciding whether to replace your roof is a crucial choice for homeowners. Early indication of warning signs can save you from costly damage repairs. Today we'll highlight the key indicators that your roof might need to be replaced.
The age of your roof is a key factor. Roofing materials typically last between 20 to 40 years, but extreme weather conditions can shorten this lifespan. Over time, roofs can become more vulnerable to wear, leaks, and reduced performances.
A clear sign that your roof might need to be replaced is the condition of your shingles. If they're curling, buckling, or showing visible signs of aging, like extreme granular loss, it means that they've lost their protective function. This could indicate that your roof's overall health is compromised and replacement may be necessary.
Missing or cracked shingles can also be a red flag. While one or two missing shingles after a storm may be repairable, large sections or multiple shingles gone means your roof could be in trouble. Missing shingles create openings for water to penetrate, leading to further damage.
If you're noticing granules from your shingles in the gutters, this means the shingles are starting to deteriorate. The loss of granules weakens the structure, exposing the roof to further damage. This often signals the need for a replacement.
Water stains or leaks inside your home, especially on ceilings or walls, are often signs of roof failure. While small leaks can be fixed, multiple or persistent leaks can indicate a deeper issue, suggesting it's time for a full roof replacement.
A sagging roof is one of the most serious signs. It often means that there is structural damage beneath the surface, such as weakened decking or framing. If your roof sags, you may be dealing with moisture damage or neglect. To fix this type of structural damage, a full roof replacement can be required to access the damaged structural framing components of the roof.
Moss or algae growth, while not directly harmful, can trap moisture and accelerate the deterioration of your roof. If this growth is widespread and affects the shingles, it could be a sign that your roof's integrity is compromised, signaling the need for a replacement.
Rotting or decaying decking is another major issue. If the decking beneath your shingles is weakened, it is likely the result of a roof leak or system failure, affecting your home's interior. Once the deck begins to rot, it is a clear sign that your roof has reached the end of its lifespan.
If you see an increase in energy bills, poor insulation from your roof could be to blame. A lack of ventilation or gaps in the roofing system can allow heat or cold air to escape, leading to higher energy costs. This may suggest that your roof needs to be replaced or that the ventilation needs to be adjusted to restore energy efficiency.
Damage to the components like flashing, chimney caps, or skylights often indicate roof issues. While individual repairs are sometimes possible, widespread damage to those elements may indicate that your roof needs to be replaced.
Roof valleys are especially vulnerable to wear and tear. If water is collected in valleys, it can lead to leaks and water damage. If these areas are severely compromised and repairs don't hold, it's time to replace the roof.
Period. Regular roof inspections are essential for spotting these signs early. If you notice multiple signs of damage, it is important to get a professional to evaluate the condition of your roof. While some problems can be fixed with repairs, expensive damage usually calls for a complete replacement to keep your home safe and dry.
Thanks for tuning in to Moose Tips and Tricks. We hope this helps you better understand when it's time to replace your roof.
We'll see you in the next.
Bye.